So hi everyone. Basically, I'm making this video to clarify a few things. I've been seeing your messages on the NEET PG group, or many students have been personally messaging me, and they want a statement out of us. First of all, as an individual, you can see all my videos that I have made for you guys. Each one of the videos, each video is basically a clarification of the rumor that has been going around, so that it can help you plan your studies better. I have never ever given you a concrete or a prior information that this is going to happen. I am sorry, I am not that person. I am a very common man and I do not have any kind of connects, and you can see my videos, or even if you can find one statement of me that this is going to happen, be ready. I am sorry, I am not that guy. So please don't put my name just because you have some anger with me or the institute. Okay, let's not use vendetta over here. So I have been always trying to help you out, that this is the clarification, so that many people in Telegram do not make a fool out of you and do not lead you on a wrong path because of a false news. So that's what's the purpose of each of my videos. Second, DBMCI in itself has never ever endorsed the fact that we support NEET PG incentivization. I'm sorry, it is not there. We are all a different, that is our own personal statements, but that doesn't mean DBMCI is involved in that. So please do not put out your anger on DBMCI, because it involves a lot of other people as well, okay, who are not involved in this. Third thing, as per Dr. Rajat's statement, I am not here to defend him, I am not here to support him. What I am trying to tell you is that as a frontline warrior in Doctors for You organization, he has seen so many deaths happening around him because of lack of Medicare. He has been trying to connect with the government, trying to connect with the students to actually get to enroll into DFI or other various COVID services, just because he knows that the people are not dying, people are dying less because of COVID and more because of that lack of Medicare, lack of doctors. So I will call his statements, his video, as an act of desperation, where a man who is daily seeing people dying on the streets, on his hospital, on his setup, just because he does not have proper doctors. So what is wrong in that? You might be thinking that, okay, इनको क्या पता, ये तो कुछ ही बोल सकते हैं, इनको तो defend करना है. I am not defending him. I am saying that a man who has been working for the last 6 months and has saved so many innumerable people, I am telling you that he deserves one act of desperation. That's all I am saying. Judge me all you want, but he deserves one. And all this because he wants to save lives. And he has saved 2 patients of mine. And we have been able to do so because he had a setup and he had doctors over there. So even now in various areas, he does not have doctors and people are dying there just because there are no doctors to attend to them, actually see the oxygen settings or basic necessities. Yaar. So trust me when I say that he deserves one act of desperation. आपको नहीं join करना, it's okay, but भगवान ना करे, when you ever see a patient of yours dying due to this particular fact, you might remember that Dr. Rajat did something so that people could join. Students could join as a doctor, so that people could join. Students could join as a doctor. So his statement might be wrong. The way of delivery, I believe, was okay. थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा हो गया. मगर his intentions were good. And I do support him on that कि intention गलत थी, intention सही थी, statement गलत हो गई. Maybe they could have been out of the way, but I'll say that उनको एंड में नहीं समझ में आया. उनको समझ में आया कि बच्चे सिर्फ नीट पीजी के नाम पे अगर आते हैं तो लेट्स पुट अ शॉट ऑन दैट. बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे ही जस्ट वांट्स डॉक्टर्स सो दैट यू कैन कम एंड हेल्प हिम सेव लाइव्स. सो इफ यू कैन नॉट फॉरगिव हिम फॉर दैट, आई अंडरस्टैंड. मैं मांग नहीं रहा आपसे, बट अंडरस्टैंड द इंटेंशन बिहाइंड इट. मे बी आज नहीं समझोगे, वन डे यू विल. But apart from that, he deserves respect. So even if you are putting out your anger, it should be Dr. Rajat Jain sir. सर के लिए बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ती है, 30 साल लगे हैं. तो उसके लिए प्लीज हैव दिस मच डिसेंसी फॉर योर सीनियर. अदरवाइज नहीं पसंद आता, मुझे भी गाली दो, उनको भी गाली दो, कोई मतलब कि बनता है, ठीक है ना. आपको हमारी बात पसंद नहीं आ रही, गाली बनती है. मुझे रिस्पेक्ट, मतलब कि मैं तो बहुत बहुत नया हूँ अभी, बट ही डिजर्व्स दैट, ठीक है ना। सो इफ़ यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, अगर आपको हमारी बात बुरी लगी, आई एम सॉरी अबाउट दैट। हमारा कहीं भी मतलब नहीं था आप लोगों की ज़िंदगी के साथ खिलवाड़ करने का। वी नेवर एवर वॉन्टेड टू प्ले विद योर लाइफ्स। डू अंडरस्टैंड दैट students who know me personally, they know how much I have worked for them, how much he has worked for them. So this is a small statement of clarification. if कोई बात बुरी लगी हो तो I'm really sorry, कोई बात अच्छी लगी हो तो समझने की कोशिश ज़रूर करना। बहुत क्रिटिकल टाइम्स चल रहे हैं, क्रिटिकल टाइम्स रिक्वायर एक्ट ऑफ डिजर्व्स एक्ट ऑफ डेस्परेशन। थैंक यू।